In this video, I will show you how to set up your classes in your BoomCard classes and link them to your Schoology account. So the first place that we want to start is we want to sign into our teacher account inside Boom Learning. And now it takes me to this page. We're no longer using Google Classroom, so we're not going to import our roster from Google Classroom. Instead, we're going to click on New Classroom, and then it just says Dana Brooks Class 1. I can click on that to rename it. I'm going to rename it Brooks Demo 2020. And now I can add my students. You have the option of adding one student, or you have the option of adding many students. So I'm going to go ahead and just add one student. And so I have one student in there. The username is DJBrook297. Now, once I get all of my students in here, I can click on Print Roster or QR codes. So your students can sign in with the QR code. And you also have the option of using picture passwords for this classroom if you want to. So you can do that instead. So you see I'm a little cat or a fox or whatever. So you can do your roster with a password or a QR code or picture passwords, however you want to do it. If you do it with the QR code, then they'll just hold it up to the camera. This QR code right here, they would hold that up to the camera, and the camera would automatically log them in just like they do with their Clever badges. So once I've generated that to students, then they can sign in. So if you wanted to add many students at the same time, you click on Add Many Students, and you can type in a list of students, or you can copy and paste them from a spreadsheet if you want to. And then you can have the same default password for each student, and then you could change it later if you want to, or have them change it, however you want to do it. So now I'm going to sign out of my teacher account. And here is where students would sign in, but I want to link this to Schoology. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to highlight. I'm going to highlight to copy the web address, and now I'm going to go back to my Schoology account, and I would start in my dashboard. In my dashboard, I would select the class that I want to link Schoology, or that I want to link my BoomCards to. And now I want to click on Add Materials, and then Add File, Link, External Tool. I'm going to click on Link. This is where I will paste in this, where the students sign in to my BoomCards. And it's just called BoomCards. I can align it here. I can individually assign. I can display in Schoology. I can publish to students, which is, if I unclick this, it won't be published. If it's clicked, it will be published. And then I can copy it to other courses. And now I select Add. And then this is what the students would see. If they click on BoomCards, it's going to show up as embedded, and then they'll click sign in with Boom. And I did it just with the username. You can have it to where they select their little picture or they use their QR code. So I'm going to put in my username. My password was 1000. Oops. And I'm going to sign in. And that was the wrong password. Okay, so let's try that again. All right. So now I'm signed in to BoomCards. And if you had assigned anything, or if I had assigned anything, it would show up right down here. So that is how you will assign your BoomCard assignments in Schoology. I hope this was helpful. Please let me know if I can help you in any way.